The most effective technique to guarantee protection is to choose from a variety of self-defense items. The following are some essential self-defense tools that will keep you safe and secure. The current crime rate only serves as evidence that boosting defense items is the greatest approach to guarantee safety. These are a few essentials for self-defense that will keep you safe and secure. Number 1. Moneo Keychain. Moneo keychains combines portability and personal security in attractive styles. Although these keychains are less concerning, they nonetheless provide the same risk of injury to an unwanted invader as other things on our list. They have a lifetime protection warranty and are made of extremely strong, indestructible plastic. The sharp point of the Moneo keychain, despite its peculiar shape and being the least intimidating of all the items we described, might let you strike the invasive person and buy you some time to go. You can also use your keychains to lash the attacker in the face, rendering them helpless. Police, military, and martial arts experts from all over the world recommend and use Moneo in their personal safety courses. It has also been lab tested to satisfy CPSIA standards, making it safer to use around young children. The cost of the item is $10.99. Number 2. Defender Ring. A ring made entirely of pure titanium steel that is corrosion-free, brilliant, sturdy, and easily washable. Use the ring to quickly and conveniently open food packaging. This ring is meant to be covered up. To choose the size that suits you best, just follow the instructions in the image. In case the ring is too big, there is also 2 silicone adjustment tools supplied. Each item is packaged beautifully in a gift box that both men and women may use. You can send it to your spouse, your family, your friends, your co-workers, and your relatives on important events like anniversaries, Christmas, or Valentine's Day. The goal of the razor-sharp self-defense ring is to frighten your assailant. Regardless of how it is used, it has the ability to penetrate the skin. This modern self-defense ring can be worn for self-defense and everyday wear because it can still inflict enough anguish to scare away unwanted attention or danger, despite the fact that it will never be lethal. The cost of the item is $39.99. Number 3. Guard Dog Electra. This fake lipstick-looking flashlight is actually a 300-watt shotgun that may be used to dissuade any would-be attackers. It may be linked to any keychain with beauty and grace because of its portability and 4.5-inch size. Electra, the security dog, carries a turned pistol and a 100-lumen lamp. This gadget can render an attacker defenseless when it is activated by making a noise resembling a rifle. It is both small and light. It is portable and easily usable. Anyone can approach you by utilizing the 100-lumen light as a signal, including those who are blind. Simply sit back and wait for the stun gun to activate once you've rendered the attacker's eyes blind. This device, which comes in 3 different colors, has a rechargeable battery, ensuring there are no more spooky evenings while walking the security dog. Electra Home. The cost of this item is $19.91. Number 4. Mace Police Model Pepper Spray with Tear Gas. Instead of being only a brand name for pepper spray, Mace is a specific company that is well known for producing some of the best self-defense items for both men and women. With over 4,000 reviews and a 4.7-star rating on Amazon, this manufactured in the USA pocket pepper spray is well appreciated. It has a 10-foot range and is a spray canister a la police. It uses tear gas and UV dye in addition to pepper spray for increased security. Contrary to the uncommon mix of OC pepper spray and tear gas, which results in excessive sobbing, shortness of breath, and bewilderment, UV dye leaves a lasting deposit to help with the investigation and identification. This pepper spray can be easily located when you need it because it comes with a keychain and a built-in belt clip for rapid access. This Mace brand pepper spray's finger grip design improves handling and precision. The innovative flip-top safety lid makes the pepper spray more convenient and secure by preventing accidents or misfires. The cost of this item is $19.99. Number 5. Saber Self-Defense. Kit Saber is among the most reputable manufacturers in the self-defense industry, and you can rely on their goods to deliver when you need them most. For twice the protection, this self-defense set includes both pepper spray and a stun gun. The 10-foot range of the pepper spray keychain may be used repeatedly. To prevent injury, it sprays in focused, narrow stream. A 1.60C charge that is unpleasant and powerful is delivered by the stun gun. Additionally, the stun gun produces a brilliant 120 luminum light and a loud 95 decibel zapping sound while it is in operation. It's a fantastic offer for anyone concerned about self-defense for less than $25. Number 6. She's Birdie. Use Birdie's loud siren and flashing strobe light to create a distraction when she is endangered and to help thwart an attack. Birdie is easy to use thanks to its slick design. To activate, take out the top pin. Deactivate should be used in its stead. The alarm may go off more than once. Battery replacement and 40 minutes of continuous use are also possible. Carry Birdie throughout the day and night while you go about your everyday activities, such as walking your dog on trails, across campus, to your car in the parking lot, or when utilizing public transportation. Women have more influence over their daily lives thanks to Birdie. The best thing to do is to share it with your sisters, daughters, mothers, friends, students, co-workers, and elderly in your neighborhood. We all know that women are unsafe nowadays. With these gadgets, we are able to protect ourselves. So give your female companion these kinds of gifts. The cost of the item is $29.95. Number 8. Portable Magic Stick. You cannot always carry a large sword or something similar. Despite how cool it may seem, it is utterly useless. You may use this retractable portable staff instead. It can be expanded to a maximum length of 3.6 feet, but when fully collapsed, it's hardly larger than a AA battery. The Cane's one-touch technology also makes opening it quick and easy. This small device is easy to use after a little experience. Anyone standing in front of you will be startled just by you opening it. When opening it, be sure to hold on tightly because it opens with a lot of force. However, you'll feel more assured when you utilize it more frequently. Quickly, these accessories will appear. Please don't let the employees approach kids. Number 9. Big Rig Defense Tire Thumper. You can always check the pressure in your tires using this tire thumper. The 16-ounce tire bar stick is built in the USA, whereas the 10-ounce thumper is imported. The two thumpers are perfect for quickly and easily checking your tires. The polished hickory wood used to construct this tire thumper is both attractive and strong. The grooved handle gives you a firm grip, while the iron rivet provides the balanced weight to thump your tires. Check the tires on big vehicles such as school buses or semi-trucks with this transportable thumper. To provide further security, add the wrist strap. You can also use the stick as a fish whacker on your next fishing trip. Your bus or truck's tires can be quickly and easily checked using this tire pressure tool. With this tool, simply bang your tires. If the tire is fully inflated, you should hear a loud thump and feel your stick bounce off the tire surface. Tire Thumper was developed to make it simple for you to quickly maintain your tires without delaying your workday. Number 10. Cold Steel Brooklyn Smasher. The Brooklyn Smasher by Cold Steel is made of polypropylene, an extremely durable substance that is practically unbreakable. With this baseball bat in your hands, you'll be better prepared to defend yourself and successfully scare potential attackers. The robust bat is a long-term investment because it won't crack, rot, splinter, or lose its color. Whether you're sparring or competing, you can also use it for regular hitting. These bats are nearly unbreakable due to their precision injection molding from excellent polypropylene. There is no need to be concerned about flying wood fragments. No matter what you swing at them or how hard you hit them, they will simply not break. The cost of the item is $29.99. Number 11. SL Force Personal Alarm Siren Song. When it comes to fending off prospective assailants, SL Force is aware that a robust defense may just be as effective as a dynamic offense. The SL Force Personal Alarm Siren Song generates a difficult-to-ignore 130 decibel alarm noise to draw attention to itself and frighten any potential assailants. This little device also has a keychain for convenient movement and a strong LED light, making it perfect for a range of applications. Each SL Force Safe Sound personal alarm comes in a stylish box and comes with a free carabiner clip. The cost of the item is $11. Do you have any of these? If so, let us know in the comments section below. If you like this video, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more videos like this, click on the links you see on screen. We'll be back again with more gadget videos, and until then, goodbye.